Ever been on a flight and felt that unsettling feeling? That knot in your stomach? This story starts with a cramped economy seat, a long flight to London. Our protagonist, a young woman named Sarah, settles in, headphones on, ready for a long journey. She's a successful architect, traveling for a crucial work presentation, but her peace is shattered. A man, seated beside her, begins to mutter under his breath. He glances at her, his eyes filled with suspicion. Then, he lets out a derogatory comment about her headscarf. His words are sharp, cutting through the quiet hum of the plane. He complains loudly about immigrants. His voice grows louder, more aggressive. Other passengers start to stare. Sarah feels a wave of anger and humiliation wash over her. She remains silent, choosing to ignore him, but his comments become increasingly personal and insulting. The air thickens with tension. The other passengers shift uncomfortably in their seats. His bigotry grows bolder, fueled by his sense of impunity at 30,000 feet. He leans in, his face inches from hers, and says something truly despicable. He accuses her of being a terrorist. His voice drips with hatred. A collective gasp ripples through the nearby passengers. Then, Sarah does something unexpected. She calmly removes her headscarf. Beneath it, her short, neatly cropped hair is revealed. She speaks, her voice steady and powerful. She reveals she's an undercover police officer, working on a major human trafficking ring. His words of hate have just landed him in serious legal trouble. This was no ordinary passenger. The look on his face is priceless: shock, disbelief, terror. His smugness melts away, replaced by a stark realization of his actions. The other passengers stare, some murmuring in support, others still stunned into silence. The air around them crackles with the sudden shift in power. The flight attendants, alerted to the situation, swiftly intervene. The man is handcuffed and taken into custody before landing. As the plane touches down, a resounding applause erupts from the other passengers. Sarah is thanked profusely for her bravery. The incident became a symbol of justice served, of standing up to prejudice. This incident shows us something vital. You can't judge a book by its cover. Prejudice and hate are not only hurtful but also incredibly foolish. This bigot learned a harsh lesson at 30,000 feet, a lesson that involved handcuffs and a whole lot of shame. What started as a display of blatant discrimination ended with the perpetrator facing the full weight of the law. Remember, kindness is always stronger than hate. Justice will always prevail.